YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you with yet another J Talks Crypto. If you're brand new to the channel, welcome. Welcome to the channel. We talking about some Bitcoin today. We talking about some Toshi. As you guys can see, Bitcoin dropping back down to 101. We talked about this on the channel, right? So again, people that have been watching my channel, again, this is kind of what I've been saying would probably be what would be happening, what we would be seeing this weekend. Some people will say I didn't say that, but yeah, definitely. We will be talking more once Bitcoin hits 100K. If Bitcoin decides it wants to hit 100K, right? There's a chance that again we might need to see some more spill off, right? We haven't yet had that full retest of this bottom range down here. That's gonna take some confirmation to see if we could bounce up off of that on the monthly. But we are starting to break down, which again is what we were saying, that, we did not see a strong close, that we might start seeing a breakdown. We didn't get that strong close on Thursday. We got some nastiness, right, going into the weekend. I was letting you guys know that we might see some more sell-off, right? We're sitting at 103. I was saying we're kind of sitting on nothing, right, in just my last video. So we'll see what kind of happens with Bitcoin. Definitely a lot of crazy stuff happening over in the Middle East right now that again is taking the market. So it just seems very manipulated, right? Doesn't it seem a little bit manipulated, this market, right? And I just gotta let you guys know too, I'm not a financial advisor, right? I'm just a homie Crypto J. Don't buy nothing you see in this video. You guys can see your greed index starting to rip down into this orange area, and this is exactly what we've been talking about, man. We've been pretty much talking about this trend and kind of what to expect. I'm not really surprised. The headlines are a little bit surprising. I'm not gonna lie. I wasn't gonna predict that it was gonna get as crazy as it's getting right now over there in the Middle East. But again, I'm not over there, so I'm only hearing things online, and there's a lot of craziness going on online, just misinformation and stuff. So some people feeling again like they're blaming government and stuff like that. Interesting. What do you guys think? You guys think that Bitcoin bull market is over? Some people say I'm bearish down to 85. Man, I mean, if we really want to break down lower than where we're at, then yeah, we could see some lower ranges, even as low as, yeah, like 85. Just saying right now, we might see a retest of a lower range as low as 85. If that happens, the market is going to bleed like crazy. I'm sure the market is bleeding like crazy right now. It's actually not down a ton, only down 2%. You guys can see, though, some of these coins getting smacked. Ethereum getting smacked down 4%. Solana down 3%. Just seems like a lot of these coins just getting hit with the grunt of it. Let's talk about some Pepe Coin, because y'all like Pepe, right? As you guys can see, Pepe Coin now down 5.8%, coming in at 3.85 billion market cap. Where are we going on Pepe Coin? Let's kind of see, right? Let's pull up some of these indicators here and check out our good buddy Pepe. See how he's doing through this market turbulence. And again, guys, I don't know what the heck's going to happen. I can't predict this stuff. These are just indicators that I use that kind of tell me a little bit maybe what to expect. So I like to use these. So you guys can see Pepe resting right on this 1 day right now. Hopefully gonna see a strong close on the day. It's not looking that way, really. It's looking like it might want to send down, rip down below some of this support. Would definitely be paying attention to that 1 day. The weekly chart also looking like it's breaking down below some key support, and like this thing might want to see some lower levels, right? How low will Pepe go? Is this the end of the bull rally again? Is Pepe gonna go on and pump, make new all-time highs? I'm still bullish on Pepe for 2025. Can it drop down low? Yeah, this price is actually looking like it can get pretty low. I'm not gonna lie. But again, I'm long on this project, so I'm looking for times of entry, zones of accumulation. But look at this, man. Look at the monthly, looking like a shoulder head shoulder creating on the monthly right there. That could be an indicator that again, this thing needs to see some pretty significant sell-off if it can't hold some of these key ranges. 3-month looking pretty interesting. What do you guys think? Are you bullish on Pepe? Are you bearish on Pepe? So you guys could see the market right now is definitely responding on CoinMarketCap. Some of these guys still feeling good, feeling like there's a lot of good news coming out soon for Pepe. Some people even talking about big exchanges and stuff like that. But Pepe already is on all the big exchanges, I feel like. Pepe is listed on pretty much every big exchange out there. It's on Binance, it's on Coinbase, it's on Crypto.com. You can see it's on Upbit, OKX. It's on pretty much every big exchange. So, again, I don't know if new exchanges will pump Pepe. I think that just brand recognition alone is why I like Pepe. I feel like a lot of people already know this coin to be a coin in the space. They're going to be looking for that next Shiba Inu if crypto decides it wants to pump. But again, we got to be paying attention to Bitcoin, because if Bitcoin has created some kind of a double top, there might be a little while until we see our markets come back to life, right? These guys love creating zones of accumulation for themselves and things that they like. And again, they have been showing that they like Bitcoin lately. So we'll see what's going to happen. I want to know what you guys think. Let me know in the comment section below, and I'll catch you next video. Peace.